You know, the Powerpuff Girls are really like Kanye West.
So this is how it feels to be
Kanye West.